Okay, so welcome to the numbered notes video on intermediate numbered notes. So you've played your first beginner song of Happy Birthday. I recommend 3 times before you move on to the next level. And when you've done that and you're ready to move forward, you'll notice that the intermediate version of numbered notes has a grouping of notes underneath it called chords. And so these mean when you see these groups of notes underneath what you've been playing, these are notes that you play at the same time, and they add a harmony to the song. So the top line is just the melody, and this is what you've been playing, and then you'll start adding these groups of notes that you play all together that add much more richness to the song. So you'll see that this one starts on the low six, or the down 1 6, the down 1 10, and the middle 1. And then this one is the down 1 5, down 1 8, down 1 11, and middle 1. So in this case, this would be this 5 from here to here. This 8 would be from here to here. This 11 would be from here to here, because this 11 has a octave line on its left. It means it's in this octave, and then there's this one note. And you can see that it kind of makes sense that these notes would be down here on the left side, because chord notes are generally lower. Okay, and then you play through the rest of the song. You see there's another chord here, and as you play through the song, you see there's another chord here, and then one here, and then one right before the end, and then the end. So these add a great layer of richness to a song when you start playing chords. What I recommend is just, get your fingers on the notes individually, find the 6, the 10, and the 1, and just practice getting your fingers on it and playing through it. The other thing that the chords introduce here, which again are the groups of notes, is that the chord note in the bold is the root of the chord. So when we start talking about music theory, you'll get into that a little bit more, and you'll see what these root notes of the chords do, and how to use them going forward. Okay, hope that helped with intermediate numbered notes. Give it a try. Try playing the song through 3 times before you go on to the advanced. And that's in advanced is where you really start learning about music theory, the structure of music, and a variety of things that really take some learning and some thought, but will give you great insights into writing and playing music. Okay, hope that helped. Thanks.